Hello, welcome. Now in this video, we're going to turn our information into an infographic using NotebookLM. We can click on Create a new notebook. We can then upload a document. You will then see your document within NotebookLM. And one of the things that you will notice is that if you have the document selected, what you can do is you can click on Infographic in order to create an infographic. You can then prompt the infographic. You can determine what orientation that you want it to be, what level of detail you want it to be, and for the sake of this video, we're going to make it detailed. And then we can describe the infographic that we want. And once you do that, you can then click Generate. Another way to create an image is to use the slide deck. So if we have our document selected, we can then click on Slide Deck. We can then determine what kind of deck that we want. We can then write in a description. And we are now going to click Generate, and we're now going to also generate a slide deck. And so now both elements are now complete. We can now take a look at the slide presentation. And remember, what we asked for was one slide, so we can see how the slide was created. And we can click on this one slide. Now, when you download the slide, obviously, it's going to download into a format. In this case, it's going to download to a PDF. Now, the infographic, you can click on it. You'll then see the infographic. When you download it, it's going to download into a PNG file. And so you'll see that here. You'll be able to save it to your hard drive. So you can use NotebookLM as a representative of your information and turn it into an infographic using the Infographic tab and the Slide Deck tab. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.